We are pleased to show you the 2014 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it, Price House Cars.